In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell any NFT in your wallet directly to a customer without using a marketplace. Assuming you've already made your NMKR Studio account, you're going to go to the left sidebar here and scroll down to Direct Sales. Click Direct Sales. As you can already see, I have a couple active direct sales. We're going to click Create New Sale. Enter the name of the NFT you're going to sell. Select the smart contract you're going to send your NFT to. The number of NFTs you're selling. The fingerprint of the NFT, otherwise known as the asset ID. We're going to go ahead and grab that from our wallet. Enter the price you want to sell your NFT for. And click Save. Now you see your new direct sale. But if you look here at the state, it says waiting for lock. This means you still need to lock your NFT in the smart contract you selected earlier. So on the right side under Actions, we're going to select Lock NFT and copy the payment gateway link to your clipboard. Paste the link in your browser and press Enter. And what pops up is the NFT that you're going to lock into the smart contract, including all the details you specified. You can also see the date it was minted, the percent of royalties going to the creator, and even the wallet they're being paid out to. And to self-verify the NFT once more, you can check the metadata, the policy ID, and the asset ID. As you can see, NMKR has already selected the wallet extension that contains the NFT you want to lock into the smart contract. Now you can click the terms and conditions and complete the CAPTCHA. Select Create Listing with NAMI. And there it is. NMKR, the app, is asking you to send 2.37 ADA plus your NFT to its smart contract. To break down how this number came to be, you need to know how transactions work on Cardano. So, on Cardano, a small amount of ADA is attached to every NFT transaction. So when you send an NFT somewhere, like to the smart contract, you'll also send a little bit of ADA. In this instance, you'll send 2 ADA, the NFT, and pay a fee of approximately 0.37 ADA to the network. You can even verify once more the details of the contract, including the address your assets are being sent to. And the last thing you need to do is input your wallet password to sign the contract. Your direct sales listing has been created. It may take a few moments before it's reflecting on the blockchain. The last thing I'm going to do is share my listing to my Twitter account. You can do this by copying the link or by clicking the Share to Twitter button. So now I'm going to go to my profile page so you can see my listing. And there it is. Alternative press special cover on sale for 15 ADA via NMKR. Very neat. And I know you're probably thinking that you'd like to see the image of the NFT being sold via this link card. And yes, we will have this in due time, but please bear with us in the meantime. Another cool feature about direct sales is that it lists directly on our store. So all you need to do is copy the title or the policy ID. And at the bottom of the NMKR Store page, click the Explore button and paste the name of the NFT in the search bar. And there it is. Your NFT is listed on our store. You can view it as an individual NFT, or you can see it in the collection it belongs to. If we go back to NMKR Studio, you can see that your NFT direct sale is ready to buy. You can even cancel the sale if you wanted to. With NMKR Studio, we provide our users a variety of tools to fully customize their NFT projects. You can do things like create and sell thousands of NFTs, mint and send fungible tokens, and now direct NFT sales with any NFT you hold. All this from one easy-to-use dashboard with no coding required. If you'd like to get featured on our art store, go to store.nmkr.io and you'll see the Get Featured option just below the artwork of the day. And if you want to create NFTs, you can click the Create NFT option, where you'll be taken to a new page and be given 3 NFT creation options: single NFT, NFT collection for up to 15 NFTs, and the large collection option for creating and minting thousands of NFTs, where you'll have access to a variety of pro tools with NMKR Studio.